So, in the last class we were discussing the feedback. Right. This was the amplifier which we started with an input equal to some x, in this case xc, and gives an output equal to y. With feedback connection, what we did was we took part of the output to a feedback network with a transfer function beta, which was fed into this with a plus and minus here. So, the error is equal to x minus x of f. We try to associate the x and y could be a voltage or a current, and similarly y and can also be a voltage and a current. So, these two are two-port networks which are interconnected on the output side and input side. In some manner, these two ports are connected, input side as well as the output side, and the four possible combinations we studied as equal to a connection like this, another possibility right, and four possibilities. In this, input is series connected and the output is in this case series connected and parallel connected or shunt connected. Similarly, here the input is shunt connected, parallel connected, and the output is series connected in this case and the shunt connected in this case. This is the network representation of the same feedback concept, okay, where these two black boxes here correspond to two-port networks and they are interconnected according to network theory structures. This is what is this or this or this or this. How do I relate these structures with that structure what we have there? Now, if you look at this parameter is could be either a voltage parameter. So, this is voltage minus a voltage is what is going into the first two-port network. So, if x is equal to V, what that correspond to in this configuration? If x is V, this voltage is equal to this voltage minus this voltage. So, if x is a V in the input side, then that connection would correspond to a series connection in the input side. Are you with me or not? This concept is important. So, if x is equal to V, on the input side, series connection. Because what goes into black box 1, two-port network number 1 should be equal to input voltage minus the feedback voltage coming from the black box number 2, that is two-port network number 2. So, this is correspond to series connection. If V happen to be I, X happen to be current, so this also means a difference in the current must going into this network. Which will be the situation in that case? Parallel, right? Because the input current is now breaking into two currents. So this current is equal to this current minus this current. So if this input X is equal to a current, then the natural connection for that would be a shunt connection. This is input side. On output side similarly, Y can also be V or I. So now let us see what happens in this case. Y, if it is a voltage, what is Y? In this diagram, Y is the common variable for the output side of this and the output side of this. So common variable means the common variable could be voltage at voltage. If two voltages are common, then obviously the network is parallel connection, right? So if this is V, output is shunt. And if this is I, output will be common is I, so it should be flowing from both the two ports, the output port of both the two ports, in which case series connection. Then the I is flowing, same I is flowing from both of the common parameter. So this is a series connection. Are you with me or not in the descriptions? You should understand this so that now if I have this as a voltage and this as a voltage, then the current will be series shunt. Series shunt, which is series shunt? Series and shunt. This connection corresponds to a ratio corresponding to V2 by V1. Because our transfer function is with respect to Y and the input X, and Y is also voltage, input X is also voltage in this case. So in the series shunt connection, V by V, so the voltage transfer ratio. The logical transfer function for this connection. Now you answer me the question, what is the logical transfer function for this? I by V, right? What is I by V? Transadmittance. And what about this? I by I, right? Current ratio. Because common parameter here is current, and the input side differencing is again for the current. So this is a current ratio. I2 by I1. How? No. Here what is the output parameter? Y. And what is Y in this case? It is series connection. So current is the common variable is the output side. So it is the output divided by input is the transfer function. So output variable is a current. What about the input side? It is a differencing system from the feedback system. What is being difference? The voltage. So the ratio of output current to input voltage is the transfer function natural to this connection, which is an admittance. Since the relation between the output current to input voltage is a transadmittance. Is that clear? So similarly here this will be transimpedance. Because here the common terminal is Common variable is voltage, right? And what is the differentiating parameter here? Variable here? Current. So, voltage to current ratio is a trans resistance. So, what I am saying is for these 4 connections, the natural transfer functions will be transfer admittance, transfer voltage, transfer current. And what do you mean by natural? What I am saying is, now if you look at this as a feedback connection, if this black box had a trans admittance originally something, after doing this connection, the overall transfer admittance obtained by this this connection will be improved by the same way as we have discussed. That is, the nonlinearity will decrease, the bandwidth will increase, and of course again will fall down. All these parameters, all these descriptors will be known with respect to trans admittance. Similarly, in this case, it will be with respect to trans voltages. Okay.